We have an Audi A4 V8 with a 4-cylinder engine, and if you're looking to replace the alternator, it's super simple on this particular car. There's 4 bolts that hold it in. As you can see, there's 2 here right at the top, and then there's also 2 right down here below, and then there's just a 1 cable and then a little plug in the back. But they're torque spit bolts. Once these are removed, the alternator will come off, and then you can replace it with a new one. There's a tensioner. It's probably the most difficult thing to get to. It's right on the inside on the belt, and you would need to remove the belt to remove the alternator. So once the tension is relieved on that tensioner, you can use basically a socket wrench to apply torque to remove the tension on the belt, so you can slide the belt off of the alternator. Once that's off, just take these 4 bolts, the plug and the cable in the back, and then you can remove the alternator. Really easy on this particular car, tons of space to work on it, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post below. Otherwise, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your project, and have a great day.